Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to use lookup tables, that is the decision matrix in the expression set of Omni Studio. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the last couple of sessions I have discussed about how to create a new decision matrix in Omni Studio, and how to invoke that decision matrix in integration procedure, and we can just use that integration procedure as an action within OmniScript to display the table data into the UI. So for today I'll be just use this addition matrix in the expression sets. So as I have already discussed about how, in Omni Studio, specifically in Business Rule Engine, there are two types of lookup tables, right? Decision matrix and decision tables. These are the two types of lookup tables is available. And in the last session I have created this decision matrix by uploading a CSV file, uh, and this table is just like the IPL 2025 statistics, player statistics, like based on. So there are input data in the input data column. We can just find this player name. So this player name will be utilized as an input, which is of data type text. And there are there are few uh, output data will available, like team runs, number of matches the player played, innings average, strike rates, etc. So uh, I'll be from the expression set I'll be refer this lookup table, and I will just provide the username, this player name, as an input, and I can just check the output for this lookup table. So this is about this decision matrix. So if you not gone through those videos, I'll be just adding those tutorial links in this YouTube video description. So let me just create the expression set. So I'll, from the app launcher, I can search for expression set. So with the help of expression set we can just perform complex calculations, and we can just refer multiple lookup tables, and from the outcomes of the lookup tables we can perform, we can just add different formulas, decision paths, as like Salesforce flows elements. We can perform those actions. So let me just create a new expression set. I'll be providing the expression set name as IPL 2025 set, and I'll be selecting usage type as default. And in here I can just so version 1 is created. We can create multiple versions of the expression set as like decision matrices, and this is the builder of the expression set. In here we can just find different elements. These are the elements we can just add in this a canvas, and there are, we can just create different resources as like Salesforce flow provides. Like we can select different resource type like variable, constant. So and we can just select different data types as well. So those are the features available. We can just provide the start name, end date, start date and time, end date and time, version number, ranks, and it's active or inactive. So those descriptions will be available here. And let me just add this lookup table. So in the lookup table I can drag and drop this lookup table by this way, or I can just on clicking on this plus add component action element, I can just select this the element that I want to add. So I'll be adding this lookup element. And so this lookup table I can just search with the lookup table. So for my case the lookup table name is this one, IPL 2025. So I'll be searching with that name, IPL 2025, and it's showing as decision matrix, and I can just select that one. and I can see that as in the input variable it's taking the player name, and in the output variables these are the output data that will be shown. um, so let me just quickly save and preview this one, and I can just click on the simulate button, and for example in the player name I can just search with KL Rahul, and on clicking on this simulate I can just see that this green right button is available, this icon is available, and I can see that based on the player name, so these are the statistics are showing. So these are the uh, column headers, like this is the up to this one is the decision matrix name, then double underscore, then the matrix column header. So this is the team runs matches, so these are the all the column headers values are showing. So for this case only there is a one input variable and only one output variable, there are 11 output variables are there. And on clicking on this back I can just navigate back to this canvas, and in here I can just add different conditions branches as well, sub expression sets we can also invoke. So I'll be discussing more about those use cases or scenarios in later sessions. So this video is only just to how to refer these lookup tables into the decision matrix and how to just simulate this one. And I just click on this activate, and before that I can just provide the rank as well. So rank in the expression set version with the higher rank value is chosen for execution when multiple active versions overlap in their same date time period. Like if there are like for there are two expression sets available, like and for those two expression set the start date time is same and it's overlapped on that same start date time. So in that case if the higher rank means the expression set will be utilized, right? So as per this help text we can find that whenever the expression set having the higher rank, so that will be in prioritize, so that will be in use, right? So I'll be just providing the rank, and I'll be just click on the save, and we can just activate our expression set. Before that I just also uh, this checkbox needs to be checked include in output unless we can't find any response. So this is how we can uh, activate our expression set. So I'll be discuss more scenarios and topics on Salesforce and Omni Studio. So please stay tuned, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.